Yeah, honey.
Head up. Slow down. There you go.
Slow down, bub.
Good job.
What's that,
Good
Javier?
job. Good job. Excellent. You did a good job, buddy.
What,
Try
honey?
it again.
Can you bring out the blue
The blue what, kiddo?
the blue guy?
The blue bike.
It's small.
Oh, well, honey, that was Adam Newman's, and they needed it back. So we're kind of hoping we can pick up one of those in the next few weeks, though. Okay.
There you go. A little bit again. There you go.
Well, we'll see what we can do here.
Head up. Go. Keep your brake. Good job. Keep your brake in when you stop. I know.
Make sure he knows not to still respect it, because he's getting pretty cocky. Uh-oh.